welcome back to my channel once again. Today, you're going to want to get ready. You're going to want to hold on to those hats and cats because we are going in. We are going in with a ton of glitter. Or at least I'm hoping that we are. You already know the drill. I sit down, I have this base on already. I don't know what type of look I'm going for, but I do have a color palette in mind, so I'm just hoping for the best. So you know what? Let's get started and see where this takes us. Okay, you guys, so we're going to start off by going into our Kat Von D Metal Matte Palette and dipping into the shade Silk. So I'm just going to start off by laying this down on my lid, buffing it into my crease, bringing it up to my brow bone, and then kind of dragging it beyond my eyebrow at an angle and seeing how that looks, and then going from there. This color down, I'm going in with my Smashbox Cover Shot Bold Eye Palette and dipping into the shade No Shame to really brighten it up, because right now we looked pretty bruised and that's not what we want. So now that we're getting somewhere color-wise, I'm going to take Velvet and Ribbon from the Metal Matte Palette to really give it some dimension because it's looking pretty flat right now. I'm just going to kind of darken up my crease and above my brow bone with those two shades because those are the points where I really want some more dimension. Shade Twinkle from the palette and laying it down on my lid so we could start incorporating some glitter into this look, because you know, that's the point. Gone ahead and cut up my other eye, looking like I have two black eyes right now, and I've decided that for my lash line I'm going to slightly smoke it out with Silk and Ribbon, just a little bit, because I do want to leave some options open just in case I want to go in with glitter. Gone ahead and mixed up these like purple, pinkish, magenta tone glitters, and I'm going to apply it to my face. I'm thinking that I'm going to go in like if I'm contouring with glitter, just kind of follow this C shape around my eye, and we'll see how that looks. Going and doing this glitter C kind of contour thing around my eye, I'm just going to bring it into my inner corner as well. This isn't glitter, but it's kind of the same thing. I've gone ahead and picked out the purple and magenta sequins out of these color combo packs, and I'm just going to apply them to my face in different areas, and I'm just going to use it to kind of break up some harsh lines and add more shiny things to my face. The time to kind of play around with these things, kind of mess around with how you want them placed, because as you can see, I've placed them in some places and I kind of don't like it, then I move them around and just find what works for you. You can see now I've taken the sequins and just randomly, well not randomly, but put them around my face. And it kind of frames the glitter so it doesn't look like that much of a blob. I've also popped on some old crusty lashes, hope you don't mind. So now for the lips, I'm going in with my Proluxe Matte Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Ultraviolet because I feel it's the perfect purple for my lips and it smells so good. Lips are nice and dry, I'm just going to take some glitter and sprinkle some on because you know we can never get enough of that stuff. For this next step, we're going to need to get naked. Just kidding. But I am going to pull my shirt to the side because I don't want to ruin it when I continue the look down to the neck because I love this shirt. It's so soft and comfy. I want one in every color, so yeah, let's move on to that. So now that we have a bare neck, chest, shoulders, collarbones, I'm going to go ahead and take the lipstick I used and use it as a light color wash all up in here so then I can set down a base and go ahead and go in with the glitter. This little base on, my hands are filthy from the lipstick. I'm gonna go in with the same glitter mixture I use on my face and just go balls out. So since it is a pretty large area that I want to cover, one of my tips is that I just use some hairspray, spray it onto my chest and just start patting the glitter in and it sticks really well. Where I want my glitter to kind of stop, I start applying less and kind of feathering and fanning it out so it's not that rigid and I don't have this harsh stop line. Includes my little purple glitter, purple people eater, mermaid unicorn-esque look. I really don't know what to call it. Please say a little prayer for me, send me some good vibes, whatever you believe in, because now I have to go wash this off and I know it's going to be a mess. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. If you have any requests for me, as always, leave them down below. I love hearing back from you guys. You already know the drill, like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, all the good stuff. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Check you later. You can't forgive nobody. Why would you want to live a life with so much God?